folks. Thanks for signing up to my channel. 524 subscribers. I don't know if there'll be more by tomorrow, but if you subscribed up to, if you signed up to my channel, thanks for watching. I don't do many super edits. I don't whatever. This is me talking to you, blah blah blah. I talk a lot. Yeah, I know. I inherited it from a long generation of yackers. My father. I don't know who else talks like my father, but my father, which is fine. My father's awesome. He's also deceased. But anyway, thanks for subscribing to my channel. Never in my lifetime thought I'd get to 524 subscribers. Never thought I'd get past 20 or 100. But, and thankfully not everybody on here is my all personal friends. I can thank for me making some short videos, and maybe somebody who stumbled onto my channel and helped me out. A lot of other guys that have other channels are helping me out. Thank you too. Also, if you're one of the 93% people who just zoom to my channel and watch videos and just take off, please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. It would be really nice to get there. I might need some more watch hours. If I ever get internet in my garage, I'll do a live video, but I don't think it'll ever happen. I'll do it at my house because I don't have internet here. I'll have to bring the whole internet connection here somehow. But yeah, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Leave lots of comments. Tell me what you think. I'm not an expert. I don't claim to be an expert. I'm just doing what I'm doing. And if you don't like my channel, don't like my channel. I can't tell you like everything, but I like doing it because I'm just keeps me sane doing stuff. So if you like pliers, you like an amateur working on stuff, and you like seeing old tools, stay tuned. As long as I'm around, there'll be more videos. Thanks for watching.